Coin.
Okay, we are moving on to cleaning. When it comes to cleaning your coins, it is best to just not clean them. Do not clean them. I'll say it one more time. Do not clean your coins. I cannot stress this enough. Too many people try to clean their coins and they end up damaging them, especially Lincoln cents. An experienced coin person will always be able to spot a coin that has been cleaned. When you clean a coin, you take away the patina. The patina is basically what gives the coin its character. It's its luster, it's its everything. It's the dirt, it's the grime, it's the junk from all of the history, from all the countless hands that coin has passed through. As a collector, we like the patina. We want the patina. We want the coin in the original condition that you found it in. Do not clean it. Now, if you're into metal detecting or something along those lines, and you happen to find some old coins in the ground that just have lots of dirt and buildup on it, there are ways to get that off without damaging the patina. One of the easiest ways is to just soak it for 3 to 6 months in some olive oil, and then use a Q-tip and wipe it off. The olive oil will break up the dirt and grime on it over time, but not damage the patina. Now, if you do happen to have coins that are just filthy or muddy, dirty, whatever, you know, some warm soapy water is just fine. You can definitely do that, but do not use anything abrasive on the surface. Do not use a scrub pad. Do not use anything that could damage the surface. Now, with silver coins, especially with the silver stackers, the people who like to collect silver coins, a lot of times they will dip them in silver cleaner to make them nice and shiny. Now, even some dealers do this with silver coins. It is not recommended to do this at all. When you dip a coin in silver cleaner, it actually is just taking off, it's stripping off the very top layer of the surface of the metal. So if you dip it in there and you leave it in just a tiny bit too long, it permanently damages the coin. So it is best just not to do that. Leave that up to somebody who's very experienced with it. Just don't even bother with it. I cannot stress that enough. Just do not clean your coins.